when was the last time you bought a pillow? I'm going to show you how to get more life out of your current pillows. Because with the cost of pillows, who wants to spend $400 on one pillow? You got to make them last. So you're going to take your pillow, you're going to put it in a plastic bag. Then you're going to hook up your trusty Miele vacuum with your upholstery attachment on the end of the hose. You're going to put it inside the bag on top of the pillow and hold the bag around the handle. Once you get everything in, you're going to suck the air out of your bag. Doesn't take very long. It's getting all the dust mites and their friends and their allergens. If you have asthma, this is the best way to get rid of the asthma. So now you've done it that way with the Miele. Now I'm going to show you with a central vac. So again, you just hook up your hose and your upholstery attachment, and you put it inside the bag with the pillow in it, and you just turn the vacuum on. And so now all the dust mites and their buddies have been sucked into your vacuum. So you can do this with sofa cushions, anything that'll fit into a plastic bag. And it has to be plastic because otherwise the air won't get sucked out of the pillow. Or if you're going to store your clothes for winter, you can do that too. We have all the vacuums here at Vacuum Central. Take care of all this kind of cleaning for you. Happy vacuuming.